Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to extract video on VN. So let's say that you've already edited your video on VN and you want to export it. It's actually pretty easy. You can just click on the save at the top here and your changes will be set. But to extract it, you need to click on the arrow here, and here there are some options that you can adjust. You can adjust the resolution, fps, and also the bitrate. So if you want to make your video looks better, you can go with 4K for example, and you can also adjust the fps and the bit rates. But if you change the resolutions, the bitrate will automatically follow. So you can just adjust the resolutions, and after you're done, just click on the check icon, and now your video will be extracted to your gallery. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Don't forget to click thanks, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to like this video. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.